to the color factory. It's all the way up to the sky.
What are you doing?
I'm laying right here on this ball of stinker. Where are these go?
Okay, so we get to do first, Isabella, you get to pick jelly beans out. Yep. Is Daddy gonna pick you up?
Grab one.
Jelly beans. I think I want Daddy.
And that one.
We're at the color factory.
Yeah, at the color factory.
We're at the color factory. Yeah, look.
Find a way to the thing. To find a way to the thing.
Whoa. Whoa.
There's 5 of me. A lot. There's a lot dancing. Daddy, can you see all of Isabella dancing? Hi, all of my Isabellas. Hi, all of my Isabellas. Let's walk through again.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, so what do we have to do?
We have to look through these.
Okay.
You have to taste the Pop Rocks. And it says, what color do you taste? And these, the viewfinders, are supposed to like help you guess what color you're tasting.
Who's gonna be better at this, Mommy or Daddy?
I think Daddy.
Daddy.
Mommy.
You gotta pick one. Who's gonna be better?
Mommy.
High five. Yeah.
Let's see. This
Okay.
this is like what we got to look at. Look at this. That's our clues. Stuff like that.
Okay, so we're about to do the first one. Cheers. Okay, what's your first guess? I'm gonna say yellow because it tastes like banana to me.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna go with.
Mommy, these are very
And Isabella's
cool.
just having a blast with this. How did
Well-
we do?
I got,
I got 3 right.
yes, I did not get the cinnamon one.
Me
And we
neither.
didn't have a purple
They
one.
didn't have
They
any.
gave us 1, 2, and 4.
Yeah, they didn't give us 3, so To be fair, I think we rocked it.
Mommy.
Pop rocked it.
That was fun.
All right. Take us next room. Isabella, you were November. You were intense, passionate, and transforming. I'm peaceful, poised, and balanced. So, October 12th, I like a boardwalk treat. I'm popular, clever, and expressive.
Okay, so I am March 1st. It says I'm inspirational, artistic, and determined.
You are definitely
That
determined.
about sums it up.
Bye.
Are you doing it too?
Yeah.
Let me see yours. Who did you draw?
Me. I'm ready.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's go down again.
Go!
Daddy,
No, don't do
here's
it.
the ball for you. Daddy wants to go up that one now. I need help. I'm thinking. This is the one.
It was a good
I
one.
want to do it again. I need help. Anybody help me?
She's sinking.
Hey! Ouch! Oh God! Who is it?
I want to do it. Daddy, take me where it is again. Daddy, take me
Thank you. Look, cheers.
Hey,
Thank you.
Let's eat ours.
Was that fun? Was that fun?
Yeah. Like got teeny tiny ice cream.
Was this really fun visiting the Color Factory?
Yep.
What was your favorite room?
The one that had the singing things in this room.
In this room?
Yes.
Yes.